Hi everyone, I am Ivan de los Santos Martizano, and you can call me Van or Banban. I live in Ucolasi, Pigawayan, North Cotabato. It's a friendly community. The area has beautiful green hills and farms where people grow rice, corn, and fruits. The people here are warm and welcoming. We have different groups of people, including Ilonggo, Manobo, and Muslim community. These diverse groups make our culture rich and interesting. The environment is most rural with many farms and natural areas. There are rivers and forests that are great for enjoying nature and support many plants and animals. My family is a loving and simple one. My mother Myra is a homemaker who helps with farm work sometimes. My father Danilo manages my uncle's farm. I have one older brother, Nico, who works as a document encoder. We prioritize family bonding and enjoy spending time together, especially during meals. Our standards of living is modest, but we're content with what we have. I graduated from different schools. In elementary, I finished at New Colossae Elementary School. Our school was happy and fun, and the teachers were kind. It was a fresh and green school with many trees. In high school, I graduated from PNHS Nicolasi Annex. Our school was literally high up in the hills, but the environment was beautiful and the teachers were nice. There were many trees and you could see the municipality of Pigcawayan from the school. In senior high school, I graduated from Pigcawayan National High School. It was a good school with kind teachers and friendly students. It was a safe place where you could express yourself without judgment and you could discover your talents. I'm taking this day major in marketing management. I choose this course to have a businessman in the family, and I want to learn more about running a business. I also want to work in an office someday and develop my business skills. My expectation is that this course will be challenging, especially with the math subjects, but I'm willing to work hard for my dreams. I also expect that as a marketing student, I have a lot of works to do, but I'm ready for it. I expect to gain knowledge and skills in marketing management and business operation. I hope to develop my critical thinking, problem solving, and communication skills, which will help me succeed in the future career. I enrolled at Southern Christian College because of its high quality education and the 10% discount as a UCCP member. My brother and my cousin influenced me to enroll here because my cousin is also studying here, and some of my cousins have already graduated from SSC. They said that SSC is a great school. I expect SSC to help me develop the three core values of faith, character, and service. I'm prepared for challenges and hard work, but I'm also looking forward to the enjoyable experiences. I hope to gain a well-rounded education, develop my skills and talents, and build strong relationship with my classmate and professor. I'm excited to be part of the SSC community and take advantage of the opportunities and resourcement available here. I believe that SSC will provide me with a supportive and nurturing environment that will help me achieve my goals and dreams. My goal is to be a successful businessman. I want to build a career in marketing and management and start my own business. To achieve my goal, I will work hard and learn as much as I can. I will develop my skills in marketing, management, and leadership. I will also build relationship with people who can help me. I might face obstacles like financial difficulties, fear of failure, and tight competition, but I'm ready to face these challenges and find ways to overcome them. In 15 years, I see myself as a successful business owner of different business. I will be leading a team and making a positive impact. I will be financially stable and have a good work life balance. I will continue to learn and grow and give back to my community and to my family. Thank you, and that's all.